Hello guys, as you can see my face is very happy. Okay guys, let's get into today's vlog. Welcome back to my channel guys. I'm excited. You'll soon find out the reason why I'm excited guys. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, I'm excited because my husband is back and Jiro is over there. This is night guys. This is very late. I'm doing this video for you guys. So my husband just came back.
I just came back.
Wait now. He just came back now, so I'm very excited. As you can see, my face has light up. So he just came back just now. This is late in the night guys, but I just thought I would just do this vlog. I was supposed to vlog in the morning as Vlogmas, you guys know already. Yeah, but I just thought I would just do the video. I'll wait until it comes back before I start the vlog. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys what he brought. So this video is not going to be very long. I'm just going to show you guys what he was able to bring, and then another vlog I'll show you guys where I collect the stuff he cargoed. Okay guys, yeah, so let me show you guys. Sorry, my washing machine my washing machine is making so much noise. I'm spinning some clothes. Yeah guys, so let me show you guys what he brought from Nigeria, where the one he was able to bring with his luggage. Okay, and Precious is here hiding. Precious is hiding. Okay guys, let me show you guys what he brought from Nigeria. Okay guys, so this is my Christmas clothes. It's a bit wet, you know. Yeah, and then the ewedu. So my husband brought ewedu as well. They've prepared it already. Okay, so it's in this bottle here. That's ewedu. Okay guys, and then he brought some tom as well. Can I come closer, Precious?
Yeah, I want to do this from back.
Okay, and then we have gala guys. Let me show you guys. Precious, come closer. Precious is our camera woman. Come, let us see the gala properly. Okay guys, let me show you guys gala. I haven't eaten gala for so long. I think I'm just going to put all these things in the fridge. Let me just open it. Okay guys, that's gala. And then we also have fufu as well. I'll show you guys the fufu in a minute. Oops, let me not pour it away. So we have a lot of gala here guys. Can you guys see the gala? Yeah, if you want some gala, come to my house. That's if you know where I live. Okay guys, so that's gala. Okay, so let me show you guys fufu as well, but let me pack this and then I'll show you guys the fufu. Have you started? Okay guys, so I'll show you guys the gala. So I'm going to be showing you guys the fufu. Although I don't really eat fufu. It's my husband that I eat fufu. So anyway, that is fufu from Nigeria. You even try with this fufu. I didn't even know you're going to buy fufu.
I said I'll buy fufu now.
That is fufu from Nigeria, guys. So we have fufu in this bag. Excitement me. Exciting me. This one is crayfish now, yes. This is crayfish, guys. This is ungrounded crayfish. Hey, the way it's tied there to open it is wahala. Let me see. Anyway, guys, that's ungrounded crayfish. And over here we have some biscuits from Nigeria for the children because they wanted biscuits. So biscuits from Nigeria. Okay guys, I don't know if I've shown you guys the ewedu already. This is grounded ewedu, so they just pour it in the container so it's easy to transport it. And then I have my blue band. This butter, I haven't ate this butter for a long time. So blue band butter, so I got 2 of them. Okay, so all these things I'm showing you guys. Oh, you've opened it, thank you. All this I'm showing you is the one my husband was able to carry. I still have cargo. I'll show you guys those ones later once I get the cargo. Look at fish. Even though I didn't tell my husband to buy fish, because I was just worried about fish. But he bought fish, so I'm kind of excited and they look so good. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, I'm surprised at this fish. Yeah, they look so good. Yeah, just so look good, at that. So clean, no weevils, no eating scent. Wow, look at that. Can you guys see them? Very good. They smoke them. They smoke them very nicely. Look at that. Yeah, guys, so we got fish here. Then we got this the red. I'm sure you guys know the red big crayfish.
Yeah, bro.
The red one. So I have the red big crayfish grounded here, and then I have the normal crayfish grounded here. Okay, because I really wanted a lot of crayfish. Okay, so I have the crayfish here. I also have another crayfish grounded here as well. Okay, guys, and then over here, come over here, precious. Come over here. So over here, guys, we are excited. Daddy just came, so we are all excited. Okay, so there's a lot of noise in the background. Sorry, guys. So my husband just came now, so I told you guys, like about less than 30 minutes. So let's say about 30 minutes now. So this is dry cow skin, Pomo. The dry one is always easier to carry. Okay, guys. So that's the dry one. So we have a lot of it here. Okay. Yeah, so I have a friend that I'm also going to be giving some of this to, and the crayfish as well, some of them. So guys, this is the ungrounded crayfish because I just wanted some ungrounded crayfish. Okay, guys, so I will have enough crayfish. Crayfish is very, bring my face. Crayfish is very expensive in UK. So whenever my husband travel, I always want him to buy as much possible crayfish he can buy. Okay, guys. All right, precious, let's show them our Maggi. So we have our non-cube as well. So I bought box. There is 17, 16, then they give you one extra for the box. Okay, guys, and I think I've shown you guys the tom-tom already. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited about my blue band butter. Oh my god. Yeah, it's sealed. I haven't had this butter for a long time. All right, guys, so I'm happy. I'm excited that my husband is back, guys. Yeah, guys, so that's it really. So I'm going to be ending today's vlog here. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my tomorrow's vlog. Bye, guys.